to show you a real easy way to make creme brulee. Cheating. You can cheat. I am going to make a chocolate creme brulee with chocolate pudding. Now some of you might say, oh, that's just vamped up chocolate pudding. Well, yes it is, but you know what? It's a fancy little dish and it's wonderful when you're on a budget. And it turns out beautiful. So we're going to pour our chocolate pudding right in here. Make sure you get all of the corners. You don't want to waste any. Okay. And then to that, we are going to add 1 3/4 cups of milk. And we're going to mix this. And mix this and mix it. And it's going to start getting thick, just like pudding would be. See that? Okay, now before it totally sets up, we are going to take our cute little ramekins we got here. Okay? And we are going to start pouring a little bit in there. And we can clean off the rims in a minute. We're going with that. Just divide it between the two. And this one needs a little more. Okay. Okay, so now with this, we are going to put these in the fridge so they get set up really good and really cold. So when that's all set and cold, and I'll wipe that off. When it's all set and cold, I'll be back and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, friends, I have got this. It is nice and cool, and I'm ready to make this for the dessert. So I'm just going to use plain sugar. And what you're going to do is you're going to just start spreading it evenly all around your pudding, your creme brulee. This is cheating, but this is fantastic. Just get a nice layer because you want that to get real nice and caramelized. Okay, there's one. Okay, now these are going to go under the broiler just like this, about 6 inches from the broiler. Now you could use one of your little handheld torches to caramelize the sugar. I don't have one of those, so I just do it the old-fashioned way. I put it right under the broiler. It's going to stay under there for about, I want to say at least 6 to 8 minutes for that to get real nice and caramelized. Could be sooner. I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, friends, I've got these done. They're caramelized and they're beautiful. And see? Hear that hard? That's caramelized. Now what I do before I serve them is I take a little bit of, you can put fruit or anything you want on these. I just put a little bit of nuts, walnuts, and chocolate chips. And that's all I do. And then I just take and give it a little dusting of powdered sugar. And that's it, friends. It's that easy. There you have it. And you know, it's budget friendly and it makes a beautiful dessert, even if you cheat. So there you have it, a real nice, easy way to make chocolate creme brulee. Thanks for watching.